Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Suchel. It's Wednesday, April 1st, and it's April Fool's Day, and that's why I'm under the sea with all the bubbles around me. So, we are going to talk about what we're working on today. Our daily journal is the first thing I have up here. Remember, on the daily journal, we don't want blah sentences. Don't write, I'm reading things like, I woke up, I watched TV, I did my work. That's kind of a blah sentence. I want you to add more detail. So you could say, I woke up, I was really tired because my brother woke me up in the middle of the night. I got up and I ate cereal. My favorite cereal is Captain Crunch. And then I watched a video, and then I played with my brother, and then I made Legos, and when I built with Legos, I made a castle. And then I got onto my Chromebook and I did lots of schoolwork, and then I was able to go on a walk with my family. Isn't that just much more interesting than the first sentence I did? So I want you to write with more detail. I know some of you, it's hard for you to type. So some of you have been writing it on a piece of paper and your parents have been emailing it to me. You can do that too. Or if you write it all down, maybe you could have someone in your family type it up for you. I'm okay with that too. So please keep working on your daily journal. It's important, excuse me, it's important to keep writing. All right, so that's the first thing. We have another Nearpod now. I know some of the Nearpods aren't working for you, but this one does not have a virtual tour. So this one should be working. This is about maps and finding things on a map, and you get to go on a treasure hunt and find things on a map on this Nearpod, and you get to make your own map grid. So this should be a lot of fun today for social studies. Grammar today is figurative language still. So some of you are having a hard time with the picture. You don't have to draw the picture. Some of you know how to draw a picture, and that's okay. If you want to skip the picture, I'm fine with that. Then you're going to read the figurative language and write what it means. The first one says, he was as sick as a dog. So you would just write what that means. If someone says they are sick as a dog, that means they're really, really sick. Figurative language, the next one, time flies when you're having fun. If you were to take that literally, you would see time like a clock flying through the air. So that's not what it means. Time flies means it goes by fast when you're having fun. We say that a lot in class, don't we? So you're going to do the rest of those and just write what that means. Let me go back here. Okay, our money today is more word problems. You guys did great on your word problems yesterday. I'm really proud of you. Good job. So you've got to read those and answer the questions. And the last one is similes. There's a poster and there is a little worksheet to do. So on the poster, it just explains to you that similes are when you're comparing two things with the words like or as. So the example here is, it says, Marsenia's smile gleamed like the noonday sun. So you're comparing her smile to the sun and how bright it is. So you look at that poster, and then you're going to go to the next page, and it looks like something that we would normally cut out and put in our flat books in our reading journal. But if you click right next to each one, there's a text box, and I want you to write about the similes the author used. What two things is the author comparing using like or as? So you're going to write the two things that are being compared. Okay, so that's the similes. That's all I have on our classwork today, but remember, I want you to still read with Epic, do Lexia and Prodigy, Imagine Math Facts, Blueprint, Typing Club. Those are all things you can still do to make sure you are still learning at home. Remember, we're going to meet again today at 1 o'clock. Last time, I think we didn't invite everyone. Not everyone was there, so I will make sure I will type in and call everyone on our Google Hangout at 1 o'clock today. So if you're already in a Hangout, it might not call you, or so make sure you're not in a Hangout at that time. Okay, I will see you soon. Have a great day, dragons. Bye.